Is that a match?
No. The G.
What was on the G?
Just don't worry about it. I can get it. Let's see what the X is. You better pick a card and see where it is.
Pick that one right in front of your knee.
This one?
Yeah.
S. Alright, let's try this one. A. X. Hey, I found this. I know where it is. I know where it is. You.
You know where that X is. Go ahead and get it.
Where is it?
You were really close.
Right here?
No.
Right here?
I think so.
Yes!
Where's the other one? Where's that one you just put down?
Apple. That's cheese.
What is it?
Oh, we go apple. Wow!
Show me.
Apple dabble. Apple dabble. Apple dabble. Apple dabble. Apple dabble.